Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can post a blog on your Squarespace website. So let's get right into it. The first thing we're going to want to do is go into pages and we're going to set a blog up from here. I'm going to delete the one that I already have. So what we're going to do is either under main navigation, if you want it to show up over here on the header, or under not linked, you're going to go ahead and click the plus and click blog, and then you're going to select a template for your blog. I'll select this one, and that's going to create a new blog. I'll just name it blog 3, keep the placeholder name, and now as you can see, you have a overview of your blog posts. Now these are some standard placeholder blog posts. You can edit them if you want, but you can go into blog content, select all of them and click delete. And once you click delete, you'll have no posts here. And if we go back, it'll be empty. So we're going to go back into blog content and click on the plus to add a new one. And here you're going to go into the editor page, and here you can set up your blog. So for example, I'll name this test post, and I'll just under right here for the text, I'll just write test a couple of times, and that's going to be it. So here we have sort of a skeleton of our blog posts. You can edit this section if you want to add a background, for example, but I'm not going to do anything. This is the bare minimum you need to do to make a blog post, and then you can save it. If you want to edit it further later, you can click publish to publish it now, or schedule the upload for a later date, but I'm just going to click publish now, and now we have our post. Now you can also edit this further by clicking on edit, or you can click the 3 dots or ellipses next to your blog post, click settings. You can also duplicate it or erase it if you want, and under content you can add a featured image, which will show up here on your list, and also you can search for images if you don't have one, and you can write an excerpt as well. You can go into options and set up everything here. You can set the status, the tags, the categories, comments, and featured post, and you can also set up the SEO options if you want your blog to be more easily found. Set up the social image if you want. You can also share it and edit the location, but that is completely up to you. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.